Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to use the join tools options in a part workbench. If you want to learn FreeCAD from the scratch, then you can buy my complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. This course also available on Udemy, but problem is that Udemy only give me the 37% of a course selling. You can see here user had paid $15, but I have only got $5. If you wanted to see the review of my course, you can go to the Udemy and search for the FreeCAD, and you will see my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. And this course is took by the more than 2000 students, and I have got the rating of a 4.1. For the demo lectures, you can expand it and see the demo lectures and the course structure. But I will request you, if you found my course interesting and the reviews of the other student on Udemy, then I would request you to buy my course from my Ko-Fi shops, because if you buy from here it will help me a lot. So once you buy my course, you will be redirected to the Google Drive, and here is the my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. Go inside, and the sections I have shown you on my Ko-Fi shop page. So exactly same lectures under the section is created. For example, section 1 is introductions to FreeCAD 1.0 and what is new in FreeCAD 1.0. So if we go to the section 1, so there are the 18 lectures, and if you go inside of the sections 1, you will find the 18 lecture total. And once you go to the lecture 1, you will find a video file which you can download to your system, and you can watch it. And this course is updated on a equal interval of a time once the new features came. And once you purchase the course, you have the lifetime access to the course. And in the case of any doubt, any query, you can mail me at admin@mechnexus.com. You can find my course link on my YouTube channel. You can see the course link, and you can also find my Ko-Fi course page link on pin comments and video descriptions. And here you can see that I have activated the part workbench, and here is a join tools options, and we will learn it. So here I have created a two body. First is this pipe, larger pipe, and one is a smaller pipe, and these two bodies I have created with the help of a part design workbench. And I can show you the dimensions of these pipes. So larger pipe dimension is outer is a 40, inner is a 35, and our smaller pipe is of thickness 2.5, and OD is a 20 mm, length is a 40. Now these are the two independent body, so we can move it with the help of a transform. For example, this pipe I can move it, so I will move this pipe inside, and now we will use the join tools operations. We will switch to the part workbench. Now we will select the two bodies, and first operation which we will use is a cutout for object. So you can see that a smaller pipe has been subtracted with the help of a cut operations. Now I delete this and again select these two bodies and use the embed object and click on OK. So now we have embedded these two pipes. To see this, We will take a section, so we will go to the view and click on the persistent cut and click on this Y plane, and you can see that here, if you see closely, so these two got the merged. So this is the embed option. Now I will close it, and now I will delete this section. And now I will also delete this embed, and we will select these two bodies and we will select the connect object. So click on the OK. So now we will see that connect options, so extra portion got removed. And now if we take it through the section view, go to the view and click on the persistent sections, click on the Y. So you can see that with the help of connect options, this extra material got removed. So we have seen these three options: cutout, embed and connect, and this is the very useful tool while making the piping. If you are designing the piping, then these tools will be very helpful for you. So this is all about this tutorial, how to use the join tools option in FreeCAD Part Workbench. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.